Aloha mai kākou. I'm Mailena Ehu, also known as Queen Maile on the hip-hop stage. I want to share a little bit with you about this incredible project that I was blessed enough to direct called Hoʻokupu, a hip-hop anthology of Hawaiian history. It's an album. It's a musical album of 13 songs that starts from the Kumulipo, one of our creation chants at the very beginning of time, all the way till today. We got together some of the best MCs in Hawaii to create this project for all of you, and it can be used in all kinds of learning spaces with all ages. Along with the album, which can be streamed on all digital music platforms around the globe, we created some resources to take it a step further in the learning process. So we have this beautiful textbook here, and in the textbook, we have some background about the project. We have a feature on each of the MCs. We also have the lyrics, translations, reliable sources to take it even deeper if you want to study that subject area more. We have writing prompts, discussion prompts, and poetry prompts. Along with this resource, this incredible textbook, we have CDs. For those of you who are CD lovers, you can order your CDs. We have merch too. So one of our most popular songs, one of my favorite songs, is Big Mo'o Energy. So we have merch, we have shirts, Big Mo'o Energy shirts, and we also have stickers. Big Mo'o Energy and Ho'okupu. We also have popale, or hats, that were created by one of our very own MCs, Mr. Kapu. Check these out. So I want you to go check out these sources right away. Like I mentioned, we have sources that are paid for, that are free. So you can go and check out huiokuapa.org/ho'okupu, and you'll find all the links there. And you'll even find a link for a free downloadable black and white version of the book. So we're making it accessible to everyone. Go right away and check out Ho'okupu, a hip-hop anthology of Hawaiian history. Ahui ho, malama pono.